Hello, it's AliMECH. In today's video, we're gonna plastic dip spoiler from this to this carbon fiber look. So we're gonna need isopropyl alcohol for cleaning and greasing, microfiber towel, a black plastic dip for base color, gunmetal gray for giving carbon fiber look, and finish it with glossifier. We also gonna need shelf mat for creating carbon fiber pattern, and a masking tape. Let's wipe it down with alcohol to remove any oil or contamination. And pay a good attention to the corners. Corners will be the first place to peel if it was dirty. I will leave about an inch and then use masking tape all around the spoiler. Yes, I will be spraying on the trunk as well. It will be easy to get a sharp cut when I peel the masking tape later. You will see what I mean at the end of the video. Alright, we are done with masking. Let's grab the black plastic dip and shake it well. We're gonna be applying one light coat and then two thick coats. Your first coat should be about 60% coverage. We're gonna wait 5 minutes between the coats. And don't forget to clean the nozzle after each coat like this. Okay, it's been after 5 minutes. We're gonna apply second coat. You will have full coverage with the second coat. And again, don't forget to clean the nozzle. Applying third coat after 5 minutes. This time we have to focus on the corner as well. Our black base color is done. You must have even coverage like this after 3 coats. After 5 minutes of drying, we're gonna use shelf mat to create carbon fiber pattern. To get a sharp carbon fiber pattern, put the mat on the spoiler, tape it from one side and pull it till it gets spoiler curve, and then tape it from the other end. If the mat is loose, you will get faded pattern, so make sure there is no wrinkles and the mat tape it well. Next, we're gonna apply one thick coat of gunmetal gray. And while it's wet, remove the mat and we have a nice carbon fiber look. And we are not done yet. We're gonna finish it with 2 coats of plastic dip glossifier. It will make the pattern pop even more. And here's after 2 coats of plastic dip glossifier. We're gonna wait 15 minutes and then remove the masking tapes. After 15 minutes we're gonna remove the masking tape, and this is why I left 1 inch. It will self-cut all around the spoiler edge. If you have even coverage, the cut will be sharp like this. Use a damp microfiber towel to clean the oversprays. And here's how to create carbon fiber pattern look with using these products. If the video was helpful and learned something new, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.